Hello everyone, my name is Piyush. I am a student of section 14. My name according to ERP is Pisai Piyush Narari, roll number 20EE30020. This is my DIY lab assignment number 2. In this assignment, we were supposed to design a circuit layout using Tinkercad. So this is the circuit that I have built for weather monitoring station. And remember, this is a wired version, not the wireless version. So let's take a look at the transmitter module first. So we can see here are bunch of sensors I have used. First is the toxic gas detection sensor, other one is this TMP36, which is the temperature measurement module, and this is the photoresistor. All these are mounted on a breadboard and all are connected to this Arduino, which is the transmitter Arduino. It will talk to the receiver Arduino, and this receiver Arduino is connected to different components like this buzzer, this LCD display which will display the result, these two buttons which will operate the mode, and bunch of LEDs for indication, and the oscilloscope for better visualization of the signal. So I have uploaded the code and compiled it successfully. Let's check the code. This is the transmitter code. You can see I have used the software serial.h library, and I would explain it briefly. It works in the sense, first sensor sends the value to the Arduino, the transmitter Arduino, then it sends the data to the receiver Arduino, then it prints and lights up these LEDs and turns this buzzer on depending upon different situations. So let's start the simulation and let's see how all of these things work. Okay, so right now you can see both of these buttons are in low state. That means there won't be anything printed or the LCD is being cleared. So let's check what happens if we turn on both the buttons. So right now you can see it's in the temperature detecting mode. So you can see it's showing 26 degrees Celsius. So let's check the accuracy of our TMP sensor. So you can see right here it's 25 degrees Celsius. So yes, it has some error of around plus minus 1 degree Celsius. It is because of the calculations that are being done by the transmitter Arduino and the convergence. Okay, so it's showing 25 degrees Celsius. So let's increase the temperature above 40 degrees Celsius. Let's say 57 degrees Celsius. So right now we can see the exact 57 degrees Celsius temperature, and this LED has turned on, this red LED, because it is the indication that the temperature is above 40 degrees Celsius. If the temperature is in between 0 to 40 degrees Celsius, the green LED will turn on, and if the temperature is below 0 degrees Celsius, the blue LED will turn on. So let's check if the temperature, what happens if the temperature goes below 0 degrees Celsius. So I will take down the temperature. So it's showing around minus 18 degrees Celsius. Let's check if the temperature is really minus 18 degrees Celsius or not. You can see it's the screen is flickering. It is because Tinkercad is not much powerful. That's why. Okay, so it's showing minus 17 degrees Celsius, which is near to minus 18 degrees Celsius, and that means that our temperature sensing mode is working fine. So let's move to another mode, which is the weather type detection mode. So right now it is showing weather type to be overcast. So let's check it is really overcast or not. So this whole idea is based on the photoresistor. So right now we can see there is no light incident on the photoresistor. That's why it is showing overcast, because the sky is full of clouds. And let's move it to the middle, and we should expect that it should be partially cloudy. Let's check. Let's wait for a few moments, and yeah, it's showing partially cloudy. And what happens if I take this knob to the right? So we will expect weather to be clear. So it's showing sunny or clear. So that means our weather type detection module is also working fine. So let's turn this on and turn this off. So right now we will now enter into the toxic gas percentage detection mode. So here I am detecting the toxic gases using this sensor. So right now let's take the toxic gas cloud near to the sensor, and we would expect that the percentage will rise, and as you can see the percentage is around 18%. So let's try to move the cloud nearer as much as possible, let's say around more than 90%. So I have programmed it to turn on this buzzer if the percentage increases above 90%. So as you can see it's showing 97% and the buzzer has turned on. Let's turn off all of this system. This is all about my project. Thanks for watching.